Gonna make some Cajun Shrimp Alfredo pasta with this Cajun seasoning that I made. And then I'm also gonna make some garlic bread, which I guess I'll start on now so that I can get baking. So we have some butter here, room temperature. Gonna add a little salt, some parsley, a bit of chili flake. And then we have these garlic cloves that I confit in the oven. Put these in. We'll use this oil for the pasta later. Gonna break this up, stir it up. Welcome to all things butter. It's got a little French baguette. Just gonna spread it all on very liberally. In the oven. Let's cook some shrimp. We have this Cajun seasoning. Let's spread it on. Shrimp aside. Let's cut some onion. And we can get cooking. Oh, I'm gonna add some spinach to this too. I have a little spinach left. Let's turn this burner on. Going to use a little bit of this garlic oil. And then I'm going to use some of this garlic butter too. Let's get this pasta going. I'm gonna use rotini for this. Shrimp in. Oh, this smells amazing. Let's flip all of these. Okay, this is good. Take this out. Turn this down. A little more garlic butter. A bit more garlic in. Onions in too. Okay, let's get some heavy cream in. I'm going to put a little bit of Cajun seasoning on top. Parmesan in. A little bit of mozzarella cheese too. Spinach in. I'm going to add a bit of pasta water. Before I drain this, let's save some pasta water. Pasta in, mix it up. All right, shrimp in. Let's get our garlic bread out now. Oh yeah. Get some pasta in a bowl. Get some garlic bread. Boop, boop. Sweet. Let's eat. Let's taste these noodles. Mmm. Ooh, that's really good. With the shrimp. Mm-hmm. Some garlic bread. Oh, that's bomb. 10 out of 10. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.